Have you ever watched a cat sleeping quietly in a sunny corner and wondered what strange secrets might be hidden inside that tiny furry body? Cats may look calm, lazy, and mysterious, but behind those glowing eyes and silent footsteps are some truly unbelievable facts. Some of these facts sound almost impossible, yet they are completely real and backed by science. From their strange sleeping habits to hidden senses humans don't even have, cats are far more fascinating than most people realize. So get ready, because these weird cat facts might completely change the way you look at your cat. Fact number 1. Cats spend about 70% of their lives sleeping. Yes, you heard that right. If a cat lives for about 15 years, it will spend roughly 10 to 11 years asleep. That means most of its entire life is spent resting. On average, a cat sleeps 12 to 16 hours every single day, and some cats can even reach 20 hours of sleep in a 24-hour period. But this isn't just laziness. Cats are natural hunters. In the wild, their ancestors needed short bursts of explosive energy to chase prey. To store that energy, their bodies evolved to spend long periods resting. Even house cats still carry this ancient survival pattern. So when your cat curls up for its third nap of the day, it's not being lazy. It's following instincts that are thousands of years old. And here's the surprising part. Many of those naps are light sleep, meaning your cat can wake up instantly the moment it hears the smallest sound. Fact number 2. A group of cats is called a clouder. The word might sound unusual, but it's the official term used to describe multiple cats together. Interestingly, cats are usually known as solitary animals, especially when hunting. Unlike wolves or lions that move in organized packs, most domestic cats prefer independence. However, when cats gather in places where food is plentiful, such as farms, ports, or neighborhoods, they can form loose social groups. These groups are called clouders. Inside a clouder, cats sometimes create subtle social structures. Female cats may cooperate when raising kittens, while males often keep a careful distance. But here's something fascinating. Even inside a clouder, cats rarely behave like a true team. Each cat still maintains its own territory, its own routines, and its own independence. So a clouder is not exactly a team, it's more like a temporary alliance of mysterious little predators. Fact number 3. Cats cannot taste sweetness. While humans can detect sweet flavors like sugar, chocolate, or fruit, cats are completely unable to taste sweet foods. Scientists discovered that cats are missing a working version of a gene called TAS1R2, which is responsible for detecting sweetness. Because of this genetic difference, the sweet taste simply does not register in their brains. This explains why cats usually ignore sugary foods that humans love. A piece of cake, candy, or sweet fruit might taste amazing to us, but to a cat, it's just meaningless. Instead, cats are much more sensitive to meaty and protein-rich flavors, which makes sense for a carnivorous animal. And this leads to an interesting mystery. If cats can't taste sweetness, why do some cats seem curious about ice cream or milk? The answer is not the sugar, but the fat and protein content which their taste buds can detect. Fact number 4. Cats have a special organ that helps them smell in a completely different way. This organ is called the vomeronasal organ, sometimes known as the Jacobson's organ. It sits on the roof of a cat's mouth and allows them to detect chemical signals that normal smell cannot identify. When a cat opens its mouth slightly and curls its lips in a strange expression, it is performing something called the flamen response. In that moment, the cat is pulling scent molecules into this special organ. Through this system, cats can gather incredibly detailed information about other animals, including their identity, health, and even emotional state. It's almost like reading invisible messages in the air. Humans do not have this ability in the same powerful form. So when your cat suddenly freezes, stares, and curls its lip in a strange way, it might actually be analyzing a secret chemical message that you cannot detect at all. Fact number 5. Each cat ear contains 32 muscles, allowing cats to rotate their ears with incredible precision. For comparison, the human ear has only a few muscles and barely moves at all. but cats can rotate their ears up to 180 degrees to point out sounds with extreme accuracy. This ability helps them locate tiny noises, like the footsteps of a mouse hiding under leaves or behind walls. Even more impressive, a cat can move each ear independently. One ear might point forward, while the other listens behind. This gives cats a powerful 360-degree sound detection system. Their hearing is so sensitive that they can detect frequencies up to 64,000 Hz, much higher than what we can hear. That means cats can detect sounds from small animals long before we notice anything. In other words, while we think our homes are silent, your cat might actually be listening to an entire hidden world of sounds. Cats may seem like quiet, sleepy companions, but the truth is far more mysterious. They sleep most of their lives, communicate with invisible chemical signals, hear sounds humans can't detect, and carry instincts from ancient hunters. The next time your cat stares into empty space or suddenly turns its ears towards a sound you can't hear, remember this: there may be far more happening around you than you realize. If you enjoyed discovering these weird cat facts, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another mystery. Because the world is full of strange facts, and we're only just beginning to uncover them.